Hey, what's up y'all? Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys an easy step-by-step guide on how to set up your new Amazon Echo. I love the Amazon Echo because I love the built-in assistant named Alexa. She's amazing. But what I do recommend before you plug in your new Amazon Echo device, make sure you go to your phone's app store, whether it's an iPhone, Android, Google phone, whichever the case may be. Once you go to the app store, search for Amazon Alexa. Should be the first app that pops up. You're gonna download it and it's free, so you don't have to worry about paying anything, which is great. So once you download the app, you're gonna open it up, and then once you open it up, it's gonna ask you to sign in to your Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, what are you waiting for? But anyways, after you sign into your Amazon account, now you can go ahead and plug in your Amazon Echo device to the wall. So as you see here, you get the wall adapter, plug it into the back of the Amazon Echo, and then you plug it into the wall, and then it's going to turn blue for a couple seconds. And then once you go back to the app, you're going to select the device that you're setting up, which in this case is the Amazon Echo. So when you click on the Amazon Echo, make sure that your Amazon Echo device has a orange light. Don't worry, it's not going to detonate. That just means it's in setup mode. And then it's going to search your Wi-Fi for the Amazon Echo, which is pretty quick. It doesn't take long. All depend on your Wi-Fi speed. Once it connects to your Amazon Echo via Wi-Fi, it's going to ask you what language you want your Alexa to speak in. In this case, it's English. And then also it's going to ask you where the Amazon Echo will be placed in your home. You can say bedroom, living room, and you can also have a custom name. So if you have a game room, you can select game room. In this video, we're going to say bedroom. Then it's going to ask you to set up your voice ID. I do recommend doing that first, so at least, Alexa can know your voice. So it's going to ask you to say different commands, which doesn't take more than 3 minutes. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty simple, nothing too technical. Then it's going to ask you for your address. And then also it's going to ask you about the Amazon Sidewalk. You don't really have to do it. You can just disable it. After you do all of the steps, then it'll turn blue, and then presto changeo, your Amazon Echo has been set up. And what I love about it, like I said, with Alexa, which is the built-in assistant, you can have it, set up shopping lists, set timers, do alarms. And then also what I love, because I'm a music person, you can also link your music accounts to it. So if you have Spotify or Amazon Music, you can just select it in the skill section of it, and then you can play your music straight through there. And then also this little tidbit I like about the Amazon Echo is that when you do the volume up and down, there's like a LED indicator on the Echo that shows when you're putting the volume up, and then also shows when you put the volume down, which is pretty neat. And also on the Amazon Echo, this button lets you cancel a command, and then this other button is to mute the mic, because Alexa, she's a little nosy when she's ready. But that's about it. This easy step-by-step guide. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.